Update. We had to take 2 doors off, but finally the wardrobe's where it's supposed to be, but unfortunately everything else out of that room is in front of it, even the old stereo. I'm gradually getting through all of my craft stuff. Yeah, that's still got to go. My pegboards are off the wall. It's made a right mess of the wall, as you can see. Pile in our bedroom is kind of reducing. Yeah, getting there. There's still a load of stuff for me to sort in here. That's actually looks worse than it is because my two trolleys are in amongst that, and there's nothing actually on that one much. So yeah, it looks worse than it is. But the shelves are filling up. This area, got my landscaping stuff, my glitter. You've seen that before. But look, we have another pegboard. I've got some shelves and pots and stuff to go on there ordered. I've got all my little drawers and shelves. That's a bit temporary. I don't quite know where I'm going to put those yet. Behind this big roll of paper, which I need to find a home for, there's all those drawers in. The workspace. Look, I've only got the resins I'm currently using there. All the rest are on shelves in the first bit we put in. New mats. Thanks, Let's Resin. That's lovely, that new big black mat. And there's my filming gear, stuff on the windowsill as well, as you can see. I've got this as well. This is where my levelling table is. This is going to be my drying area. So I'm going to plug my heat mats in around here too. But as you can see, I've got loads of other stuff around it. There's my air list. That reminds me, I'll do a video soon to let you know how I'm getting on with that still. This needs the time setting up, but it's a useful light for this area when I finish setting that bit up. More drawers. The pièce de résistance, if that's how you say it. Look at my pegboards. Sorry if the light's not great. I decided to just go by daylight in here, and the blind's half shut. Hang on, let me do something about that. That's the other thing. I'll be able to control the lighting in here better because there's a proper blind. There we are. Pegboard, IKEA Scadis. If anybody wants one of these, they're not stupidly expensive. And I'm gradually collecting all the shelves. I mean, look at that. Isn't that nice? You can get compatibles for them as well, because these are proper IKEA drawers. But these little things, they're actually compatibles. I'll put you links for all these because people keep asking me about storage. And hell, I'm the last person to ask about storage. You've seen the mess I get in. You see, you've got all these. See, these are compatibles as well. These are proper IKEA, the little baskets. And most of the hooks are as well. But there's a few compatibles on there, so I'll put you a bunch of links. This corner, other than all the junk all over the floor still, is coming on. Mark's going to finish this bit of worktop here off for me at some point, so my drying machine and all this bit can all go on top of it. That old chest of drawers, you know, I've had that for over 30 years. It's one of the ones that I bought when I got married. It was all I could afford. It's still going strong. And across here we've got, that's my fan heater down there. That'll obviously come out of there. My chair's going to go there. And the chest of drawers, I've emptied all those out, so I'm having a good chuck out. And look, it's because this was a computer room at one point. We got that little pull out, look. Isn't that handy? So, as you can see, I've got a lot to do still. But I am getting there. Oh, and we're going to have new windows next year. So please excuse the state of that one. Look at that, it's all wet inside it. Never mind, we'll have new windows soon. So I'll be back in action soon. I'm thinking by sometime next week I should be able to get crafting videos out again. I'm going to try doing some filming from different angles as well. I've got a little stand for my iPad so we can get a couple of camera angles in there. What I'm noticing is there's some stuff that won't come off my mats, but never mind. Yes, so I've got some things lined up for you. I'm not going to come on screen myself at the moment because while I've been cleaning all these tubs and pots up, I've had an allergy reaction to something and my eyes are swollen up again. So I shall keep showing you around in here while I'm talking. Yeah, I've got some unboxings to do. I've got a very exciting unboxing from the washi tape shop, including a new one they've got out. So as soon as they give me the go ahead, I'll get that filmed. And also I shall have product review. I said I'd do the airless. We all saw these when they were new. People are saying, are they worth buying? Well, now I've had this a few months. I'll go through that with you and let you know what I personally think. I've also got a tumbler for tumbling wine glasses, tumblers. You know, one of the things, them turny things. Daniel Cooper uses them for making rings. That thing. And the drying cabinet. I've been sent the drying cabinet. I bought this myself. It cost a lot, as you guys know. but the drying cabinet that these folks make, they've actually sent me to test, so that's an interesting one. So I'll do a review of that soon, and I've got a few other bits and pieces, so I'll do some more product reviews, but importantly I'll get on with some more Christmas makes. And I've got some new moulds turned up. Look, there's a load there for us to have a play with. Yeah, lots coming up for you. Thank you for your patience, and thank you to those who haven't yelled at me, because I've had some people say, on your banner, which goes across here at the top of your homepage, you say new videos uploaded weekly. There hasn't been a video. Would you believe I've had a few people shouting at me about that? Now, obviously, if they actually look at my channel and watch my videos, they would know exactly what's going on. Silly people. Anyway, there you go. Sorry about the sound quality. Sorry I'm not on camera. Mind you, that might be a bonus. So yeah, you'll get to see this when it's properly finished. But as you can see, other than this lot, we are getting there. Thanks everyone. Thank you so much for your support and your lovely comments. I'll see you soon.